Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Bitcoin on Binance. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in binance.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the Binance website where you can log into your account by clicking on the sign in button at the top right corner and then using your credentials. Once you are signed in, you will be taken to this dashboard where you can now proceed with buying Bitcoin. In order to do this, simply hover over to the Buy Crypto section at the top left corner and then click on your desired payment method. You will then be taken into the crypto buying menu. Now from the spend menu, simply click on the selected currency and then you will be able to select from a list of available currencies. Then from the receive menu, you will be able to select your crypto. Since Bitcoin is already selected by default, you don't need to change anything over here. Now simply type in how much you want to spend or how much Bitcoin you want to receive, and after both of these are filled up, you can click on the continue button and then you can proceed with buying your desired crypto. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to buy Bitcoin on Binance. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell and you will never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.